Welcome. I'm looking for Tokumbo. Your son. Do you call him that you are coming?
My son's house.
But you should have called him now.
Okay.
Who is there? I'm coming. I'm coming. Papa.
Go for my side first. I am not here for you. I did not come for a friendly visit at all. I came to fight.
You don't think here, Papa. You just call me like, can't you just face more like?
Oh my friends, all my friends, they have grandkids, kids everywhere. If you talk to me, you are stupid. You have sense. You this barren woman.
It's not my fault.
What's the problem? Why the noise? Oh, Papa. You have to move.
No, Papa, I'm not here for but I told you, marry Bola. I told you, marry Bola. Now, where are my grandchildren? What are you telling me?
What's the problem?
Now, I need my grandchildren.
Papa?
Yes?
Papa?
Yes?
Are you the cause of this?
Yes, now.
Papa? Now you would listen to me.
How can I listen?
I've never raised my voice for you, but you see, I wouldn't tolerate you talking to my wife in this manner. What's that? I own my house. You shouldn't come here to tell me what to do. What's all this?
Listen. Are you shouting at me?
No, I will shout at you and this woman. Papa, listen to me. She is my wife.
She's not gonna be your wife.
She is my wife.
Ella is your wife.
You wouldn't come here.
I am
married. That's what I wouldn't tolerate from you, Papa.
Listen to me.
Papa.
You listen to me.
At this instance, you should listen to me.
I will not take this.
Papa,
I don't want to hear
none of my business.
I want my grandchildren. That is all I am asking for. Is it too much to ask?
Papa, let me ask you a question. Who gives children? Papa, who gives children?
If your
children?
mother was barren, will I have you?
Will you have me?
Will I have your brother?
No, how many were we? Papa, how many were we?
Oh my God. Get me,
Papa. What's that, Papa?
I told you, you should not marry her. You should marry Dolapo.
Do I marry who I don't love?
The one you love, did she give me my grand?
Am I complaining?
I am complaining.
No, why?
Is it when I die you give me?
No, is this your...
See, Tokumbo, Papa, listen to me and listen to me for good. The next time I come here, I am leaving. And the next time I come, I am coming with fire. If I come the next time and I don't see you like
Papa! Papa!
You hear me?
Papa!
You want me to blame?
You just have to come. Just ignore him. I don't know what's wrong. His whole danger is worrying him. Let's just go.